Okay, welcome back. In this video, we are going to make analysis of our created USB image. Tool which will be used or software which will be used is Autopsy. This one, as you can see it from my desktop. If you don't have Autopsy, make sure you download it. So we'll use, my article. I wrote it under Motec on how to make analysis. This is our article which will use it. Disk image analysis with Autopsy. Also, you can click on that. You can choose to read it or you can download it. So I want to download it so as I can use it in my computer. When waiting for download, double click Autopsy to open it. Now, in last video, we created a USB image. It is present in folder called theft of files. As you can see from my desktop, we'll use this image. We'll add it in Autopsy and make analysis. We want to know now if Mr. Moses, Lil, if Mr. Moses Lil made a theft or stole confidential files, which was different contract and bank statement from Motec Company Limited. So I hope the download is finished. Now you can open it, double click to open it. Yeah, this is device forensic based on USB drive. Do not forget to subscribe at Motec YouTube channel. Do not forget to like and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So this article was written by myself and Motec, so it is owned by Motec. So this is how Autopsy should look like after being opened. As you can see, uh, how our Autopsy look like after we have opened it. So the next thing is to click on plus sign so as to create a new case. As you can read description, we need to click here so that we can add a new case and make analysis of our image. Now this is how the window should open after double clicking on new case. So here we need to write case name and base directory. This base directory is the directory where our content will be stored. So let's write the name of case. The name of case is theft of files. So base directory. This is the directory where you want to store your analysis or everything which will be made by Autopsy. Is a place or destination folder in which all content files made or analyzed by Autopsy will be stored. So let me do this. Let me do this. Desktop. Here, desktop. Let me create a folder called USB. So now you can see that base directory is local disk C user Motec desktop USB, and this file case name file file which is containing the case will be stored in folder called USB at location of desktop. So I hope the next thing is just to click on next. Now click on next. Now you can see here is a case number. So let's case number is 01, phone number is 12345. So case number is 01 and the phone number is 12345. Notes. Let's see, this is murder case. So our note, let's write here, this is theft of files case. So click on next. Now creating case database. So all of these files are going to be stored in desktop at location or now at USB desktop at folder called USB. Now this is theft of files. Now it is done. It is done. After that, you will be prompted with window add path. Here you should put path of your image you want to make analysis. Now let's see how this works. After doing this, you need to just leave this option disk image or VM file, then click on next. Okay, select data source path. So here you need to select data source. Where is your image is stored? If you can see, let me zoom this, let me increase. If you can see, when I was writing this article, my image was located at desktop USB and it was called USB image. But so far, for the time being, our image is located here at theft. Well, this is desktop. It is safety of files. This is our image. So we can browse and select it. Browse safety of files. No, desktop. You can go here. Theft of file. Now you can see our image is this. Now you can open it and now you can see this is the path of our USB image. So that's it. Here is option to make it time zone. Make sure you choose the time zone in which is right or according to our country, your country. As I'm from Tanzania, I can choose Dar es Salaam or Nairobi in Kenya, which is our time zone. We have similar time zone. So for your case, if you you are allocated at America and Los Angeles, you can leave or you can choose a time zone America Los Angeles. But for the time being, as I am present in Tanzania, I can choose here Africa. I can choose Africa, Kenya, Africa. There is Africa, Dar es Salaam. There is Africa, Nairobi, Africa, Dar es Salaam. Let me find Africa, Nairobi, Nairobi. Where is Nairobi? I'm looking for you. Africa, Nairobi. I'm looking for Africa, Nairobi. This is Africa, Dar es Salaam, Africa, Nairobi. This is your time zone. Then click on next. Now, these are the files which will be learning ingest modules on. It will make analysis for all of these, and this is addition feature called Android Analyzer. You can check it or you can uncheck it. So what you need to do is to click on next. Then analysis data source has been added to the local database are analyzed. So now, the analysis of our image has been started. So let's wait for it to make analysis. Now, what I want to remind you, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is my channel. You can get it easily by writing Noel Moses Mwadende, and our channel will come up. If you write Noel Moses Mwadende, this is your channel. Make sure you click here to subscribe, because there are different viewers who do not know how to subscribe. Also, they don't know the importance of subscription. So that's it. This is our channel. Yeah. Data type, data source, they are being analyzing. Okay. It will analyze different files. It will detect file type, deleted files, extract content, keyword, emails. If you suspect someone to be communicating by using email, but linking information by using email, so you will analyze email. If your device, your USB device involved the transfer of files which contained, emails, all emails will be written or will be shown below. So it has a lot of features, and this is almost at the end of our tutorial on device forensic based on USB drive. If you want to get more videos about us, you can click on a playlist, and you can see there is jinsi ya jifunza Microsoft, how to learn Microsoft in English learning, machine learning. There is how to use Jupyter Notebook, USB drive forensic, simplified C++ for those programmers, steganography for students studying computer security, series learning. This is about how to hide, file within image. There is a pandas tool for data scientists, for those data science, VB.NET tutorial, PHP, Python, different videos. So far we are doing USB drive forensic. Yeah, we are doing this. So if you have yet started to learn this, so this is our playlist. This is our playlist. Okay, let's wait for it to complete. Let's wait for it to complete. This is our USB image. You can see there is different files. There is different files here. Now you can see these are the deleted files. Office 2010 Microsoft Office was deleted. This is certified ethical hacker. Cause version 10 was deleted. So you can see it highlight all deleted files. everything is shown. So if someone stole, or if it was a case that Mr. Moses stole a certified ethical hacker version 10 course, it could be shown. If Mr. Moses stole a Microsoft Office Pro Plus 2016 from Office and deleted it, it will show. This red cross sign is for showing that this file was deleted. Here you can see email messages, they are yet to load. Deleted files, you can see deleted files. There is different deleted files. All files, everything is shown here. So don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. So this is Autopsy. You are making analysis, right? You are making analysis to see how this is going on. But at the end of this, you should be able to create a report. There is button or panel for creating a report. So let's wait for it to complete analyzing files from USB. Now it is 65 percentage. So let's wait. Let's keep on waiting. Let's keep on waiting. Let's keep on waiting. Finally, we'll create a report, and we'll be able to access it from our browser. So let's wait for the percentage to reach. If you want series of all of these articles, you can come at my SlideShare account, and you will get everything. My SlideShare account, everything is shown. There is a protect alteration of data in USB drive, creation of disk image of USB image, and disk image analysis by using Autopsy. But also, I told you we have a GitHub account for more tech. Let me write here GitHub account for more tech. Yeah, this is the path. I'll put this path under different video, so someone can access these materials very easy. This is the path which contain all resources which will help you in doing this. Now you can see different email address are found. It's about now you can see these are email fakehack@email@gmail.com, Ethan, yeah, so far it will retrieve everything. So these emails were found in different files, or were fetched from different files transferred by using USB. So do not be shocked that how this happened, that USB is found to have emails. No, don't worry about. So as I have said that this link, I'll put this link in these videos. So let me put a link for you so that you can get them very easily. You can get them very easy. This is a link I'm putting for you here, and let me write link below for resources. Yeah, that's it. Link below for resources. So now under video you will be able to get these resources. So let's wait for reaching 100% so that we can generate a report and finalize our investigation. Yeah. Let's keep on waiting to see how this works. Let's wait. Let's wait. It is taking time somehow. Yes, so don't worry. Don't worry. It's just the matter of time. So now you can see a link is added here. So so far you will be able, to get link for you, and it will assist you. Link below for resources. That's right. Yeah, that is link below for resources. So you can click on this to get the resources. So if it will reach 100%, you should be able to generate report. You should be able to generate a report. Now let's wait for it to complete. Let's wait for it to complete. If there will be on any image or photo deleted, you will be able to see it. Now you can see it is working, and now emails have been added. We are now you can see emails are increasing. So let's keep on waiting. Let's keep on waiting. Let's keep on waiting. It will finish. It will finish. So let's keep on waiting. Now, forensic is one of very, one of beneficial or field of study which is having positive impact to the society by getting, evidence of different cases. Yeah, it is bad to judge someone, or to judge someone or to to judge a case without having evidence. So after getting evidence, it will be better to carry on case or to sentence someone. So you need to get evidence first, and this is what I'm teaching about. So it is just the matter of time. It will make it seemed that this image is very great. That's why it is taking a lot of time. It's taking a lot of time. Uh, so should we wait it, or we can go to create a report? Let's wait. Let's give a time. Let's give a time. Let's give a time. This is a forensic. This is a forensic of device image based on USB. Do not forget to subscribe at our channel. Do not forget to subscribe at our channel. Show support for us. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. Show support for us. Show support for us. Yeah. Yes. Wait. It is very slow. So after reaching 100%, you should be able to generate a report. If you click here, you will write a report. Maybe report case. Let me write it safety of files. And here at your footer, you can write examiner Motec. Examiner Motec. But make sure it will reach, it reach 100%. After that, you can click on next or result finish. Now report will be dumped in user Motec report theft. Yeah, this is the pass. If you click on this, it should open in your default browser. It will be your report. Yeah, it is fine. Everything is fine. Now you can see warning, this report was run before. Ingest service complete. So these are the explanation, and these are different paths. Yeah, different information. So examiner Motec. So make sure your report should look like this. Here are the keywords found, tagged file, tagged. Yeah, it should look like this. But make sure, let me close here. Make sure it reach 100% is when you will be able to create your report. So this is device forensic. This is the device forensic tutorial based on USB drive, and I'm so happy to say this is the end of tutorial series of of USB drive forensic. So this is the pass. This is the pass Motec desktop USB theft. So if you come here, USB, you can see theft of file. Then you go to reports. Then theft. This is a report.html. If you click on that, it is the same as, yeah, this is your report. Thank you for watching. This is Motec, and I'm Nalo Moses Modende. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye. See you in the next videos.